I read that dark chocolate, for some reason, makes you sneeze. Now, I don't know how this makes you sneeze. I don't know whether I'm meant to eat it, smell it, put it in my nose, so I'm gonna do all of the above. Let's have a nice smell. Ah, 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 ah! I don't feel it.